Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at the KESIEME Portable Bluetooth Speaker, a versatile and affordable audio device. The KESIEME Portable Bluetooth Speaker boasts an array of impressive features that make it stand out. It offers 360-degree surround sound, delivering an immersive audio experience for music enthusiasts. The enhanced bass adds depth and excitement to your music, making every song sound incredible. This speaker is designed with durability in mind. It's rated at IP65 waterproof, making it resistant to rain, splashes, shocks, and dust. The compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for travel, sports, and outdoor activities. It even comes with a portable waterproof hard case, making it easy to carry on your adventures. The KESIEME speaker supports Bluetooth 5.0 technology, ensuring a stable and fast connection to your devices. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, including iPhones, Android phones, tablets, laptops, and more. The speaker can also display the remaining battery on your phone, and it automatically reconnects to the last device used within seconds. With its built-in 800 mAh high-performance lithium battery, you can enjoy up to 6 hours of music at 60% volume. Charging is quick and convenient, taking only 1.5 hours with the included micro USB cable. Plus, there's a protection plate on the battery for current control, allowing you to charge it with ease. This speaker isn't just for music, it also includes a built-in microphone for hands-free calls. It's a multifunctional device suitable for all ages, from kids to the elderly. Whether you're at home, camping, walking, or cycling, this speaker has you covered. In summary, the KESIEME Portable Bluetooth Speaker is a budget-friendly option that combines impressive sound quality, durability, and versatility. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, a music lover on the go, or just looking for a reliable portable speaker, this could be the perfect choice for you. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for more details and to grab one for yourself. That's it for today's product review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more reviews, and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.